Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you the Gollum Miniature Collectible Statue from Weta, and I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you the box here first. This is the front of it. They always do really nice box artwork on them. And that's the box. Let's unbox this now. And here is Gollum. I am impressed with this piece, guys. Let's do a couple close-ups here. Look at the face on that. That's pretty cool for a mini. And this is the rock where he's where he sees Frodo and Sam. Look at his back, all the lashes that he has. Lots of detail in this. This is a cool piece, guys. So skinny. His hands on the rocks. And look at the portrait, guys. And his eyes. This is a really well done piece from Weta, guys. These are from the mini here. Mini collectible. Very cool. And look at his spinal. You can see his spine there. A very, very cool piece, you guys. I like this Gollum a lot. Very cool piece. I'd like to show you the bottom of this. Made by Daniel Cockersell. Has a sculpture there. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of Gollum. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.